In this video, I'm going to go over how to organize data using a horizontal and vertical bar graph. My name is Ms. Rios and this is Teacher Approved. For this activity, I'm going to use stickers that I purchased at Target and a pre-made haunted scene. My setting with characters now looks like this. Before I start graphing, I will start organizing information by counting how many groups of characters I have. As you can see, I had 10 ghosts, 4 witches, 6 bats, 2 cats, 7 pumpkins, 6 skeletons, and 4 Frankensteins. I will now record my information on a vertical bar graph. I will label my scale in increments of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Since I know I had 10 ghosts, I will color up to 10. I only had 4 witches, so I will only color up to 4. I had 6 bats, 2 cats, 7 pumpkins, and since there is no 7, I know 7 is between 8 and 6. I had 6 skeletons, and 4 Frankensteins. Now I will title my bar graph. I'm going to title it Halloween Characters. This is what my vertical bar graph looks like. Keep in mind that labels are important because they give specific information. Now I am going to transfer my information to a horizontal bar graph. As you can see, the orientation is different, but the information is the same.